most perfect day ever. And the only thing that I'm seeing aside from like branches and shit is like nothing. And I'm driving home from work right now. This is the boulevard, and the Chesapeake is right over there on the other side of the houses. I don't know if you can see it, but as you can see, there's like no flooding. There's lots and lots of leaves and tree branches and shit, which actually when you get on the boulevard, it's much worse. So when I get up there, I'll be able to see it a little bit more. I'm one-handed right now, by the way. I'm boss as hell. Yeah, there's like a tree down there, and then the base over there. Okay, I need to put it down for a minute. Make my turn. Okay. Pick it back up. What the fuck you can see, but oh hell, bitch, you better stay on the road. There you go. Trees, trees, trees. Golf carts, trees. Just, you know, just a shit ton of trees have been mangled. They were a lot worse this morning, so there's the park. You can see all the fucking branches and shit that are down because of the hurricane. I'm getting close to my house. I don't live very far away from work at all. It's really nice. But fucking red light. I hate this red light. It's like being a bitch to me. Come on. Ah, yeah. I'm almost there. Almost. Oh, fuck no. You better stay your ass in there. There we go. Oh, yeah. My parking spot is available. Oh, son. Fuck yes. Actually, I gotta fix my parking here, so